Hello and welcome to another quick tutoring video from me, this tutor, and this video is all about the Balkan Crisis for the Edexcel iGCSE topic of the First World War, and we're going to be looking at describing two features in this short video. So find the Balkan Crisis in your revision guide and find the page with our describe question, and let's get working through and see if we can produce a top answer. Okay, so let's work on this question. Describe two features of the Balkan Crisis. So you'll have seen other described videos where I've talked through the success criteria of how to do this, and hopefully you've made a note of this in your revision guide. So clearly, you need to make sure we are introducing two arguments, 2 points, and we need to support those with evidence. Now, the fact it says 6 marks means you probably need to have about 2 to 3 sentences of evidence, perhaps 2 different examples to support our idea, to really show off our knowledge. So pause me now and think of a plan. Look through your notes about the Balkan Crisis. Consider Serbia and Austria-Hungary and Russia, perhaps, the countries involved in that. And note down some arguments and ideas. So pause me now and away you go. Okay, so here's my ideas. I've said Austria is worried about increasing Balkan nationalism. So obviously the Turkish Empire is in decline. Balkan nationalism is increasing. And this threatens the Austro-Hungarian Empire. The Austro-Hungarian Empire is full of different nationalities. Having more Serb and Balkan nationalism is going to weaken their empire. So they take control of Bosnia to help crush and control Balkan nationalism and strengthen their declining empire. Secondly, we might consider what Russia and Serbia think about the Balkan crisis and how they're upset by the Austro-Hungarian actions. The evidence for this is Russia and Serbia have to back down due to Germany supporting Austria-Hungary in the conference about the crisis. Germany is lucky here. Russia might not back down again. And of course, we've got the Black Hand develops, which starts to lead terrorist actions against Austro-Hungarians. So how are we going to structure this answer? So we're going to do 2 point and evidence ideas. You can see here we're going to create our argument. One feature of the Balkan Crisis was, and set up our point of argument. And then a simple connective like for example, or for instance, or such as, and we can link to our evidence, our description. And we just repeat the process for our second idea. So if you're ready, let's work through the answer together. So in your revision guide, find the question to fill in, or if you haven't got a revision guide, obviously I ask this question all the time, why not? If you haven't got a revision guide and just working through this video, then find some paper and write down your ideas. So now let's finish this first sentence. One feature of the Balkan Crisis was, in our plan, we had the Austro-Hungarians obviously concerned by Balkan nationalism and their reactions. So you're welcome to follow our plan and go with the Austro-Hungarian reaction to start with. So pause me now and introduce your answer. Okay, so I've said one feature of the Balkan Crisis was that it led to the Austro-Hungarian Empire expanding its influence as it feared Balkan nationalism. Okay, so expanding their influence because of their fear of Balkan nationalism. So how are we going to describe this idea? What examples can we give? So have a look through your notes, see if you can give a couple of sentences of evidence to back up this idea. So for example, and away you go. Okay, you might have some different details to me, and that's great. We're looking for some evidence with some good facts and good story in there. What I've said is, for example, after an anti-Turkish rebellion, Austria took control of Bosnia in 1908. This increased Austria's control of the region as they feared Balkan nationalism and was destabilizing their own empire due to the many Balkan nationals in their land. Okay, so got a good bit of detail in there. There are other facts you could have included as well. Maybe you've included about the amount of languages in the empire as well, how that caused complications. Maybe the fact you've got different national groups like Czechs as well as the Hungarians and Austrians all living together, so the complications they had. Now let's give another point here. So we've got our starting sentence here. Another feature of our Balkan Crisis was, okay, so now thinking about Serbia and Russia, how are they thinking about this? What are their reactions? So pause me now and give an opening point about their thoughts. Okay, so I've given a very simple opening argument that it led to Serbia and Russia being upset by Austria's actions. Okay, so nice and simple. So now we can just support how they're upset with some evidence of the events. So looking through your notes, you could describe some ideas here about both these countries being upset. So for example, and then away you go. Okay, so I've said, for example, Russia was defeated by Austria-Hungary and Germany in a conference about the Bosnian crisis. So Bosnia remained under Austrian control, which upset Russian foreign policy. Remember, they're wanting to expand their influence now in the Balkans. This meant that Russia might not back down again in a future instant. And also nationalist terrorist groups developed, like the Black Hand, forming in Serbia. Obviously, their aim was to overthrow Austro-Hungarian control of the Balkans. My answer is very simple there. I'm hoping to get in the top band 5 to 6 marks. I'm hoping to be quite timely as well. I don't want to spend more than maybe about 9 minutes on this question, maybe a little bit less to save me some time for the more complicated questions beyond. Okay, well, I hope you found that useful and you've managed to revise your knowledge of the Balkan crisis and do a little bit of practice with your describe skills. So if you found it useful, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you don't have my revision guide already, then maybe investigate that a little bit further. You can find links for this in the video information. And of course, do have a little look around my YouTube channel. Lots of help there for you. I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye for now.